Welcome to conceptual learning. Let's discuss some questions from language development. First question regarding true or false statements. So first question, language can be used only as mother tongue. So it is false because there are other languages. All languages are not mother language. So it is false. Second question, third language means a foreign language. It is true. So foreign language is third language. Then 3. English functions as the true world language. It is true because English is the window of the world. English language is the international language. So it is true. Then move to question number 4. Indian English is same as British English. It is false. Indian language is different from British English. In the communication process in Indian English is different from British English. Next question, language development is rapid during the second year of life. It is true. During the infancy period, language development rapidly develop among the child. So it is true. Next question, Lev Vygotsky theory is aimed at social learning. Vygotsky focus on social cultural aspects, so it is true. Move to next question. It is fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks. First question, a child has mastered over his which language before he enters the schools. So it is mother tongue. A child has mastered over his mother tongue before he enters to schools. Second question, learning of language may start even before the birth of a child. So before birth of a child. Third question, operant conditioning is a theory propounded by B.F. Skinner. Fourth question, who discussed the biological basis of language development? So it is the correct answer. The name is Noam Chomsky, who has discussed the biological basis of language development. Next question, language acquisition takes of when a child is about to 15 to 18 month of age. So here 15 to 18 month language development or language acquisition takes place. Moves to next question, language can be used as first language, third language, second language. So here the correct answer, all of these. Next question, a child learns language in the family, the community, the school. So it is also all of these. So all of these is the correct answer. Next question, operant conditioning theory operates by positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, both. But punishment always decrease learning. Positive and negative reinforcement may enhance the learning. So answer C is the correct. Then move to fourth question. Noam Chomsky argue in his theory, the name of theory is nativist theory, that language is a unique human accomplishment. So A is the correct option. Then question number 5. Jean Piaget has said that a child uses to learn language. A child uses process of accommodation to learn language, a different form of language, symbols of language. So here answer is B. According to Piaget, child uses accommodation process to learn language. Then question number 6 deals with at what stage a child or children start to speak almost complete sentences. So correct answer, 5 to 4 years of age, children start to speak almost complete sentence. So this is all about some of the questions regarding language development. Thank you all. Jai Hind.